Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will not be in Gorilla Tag. I'll actually be teaching you how to get the IR Stupid Money. So the first thing you want to do is click the link for Monkey Mod Manager in the description. Then once you're here on GitHub, you want to press that. Make sure this loads up here. Double click it. You're gonna have to download some stuff, but if this just pops up, then you're good. So you just want to put that to the side. If it has another one, just put it down here. It doesn't really matter. Then you can click the second link for the IR Stupid Mod menu on GitHub. Then once you're here, all you want to do is find this. I didn't see it. Find the IR Stupid Mod menu. Click it. If it says this right here, it doesn't really matter. It's not going to do anything to your computer. It didn't do anything to mine, so it shouldn't do anything to yours. Press keep, show more, keep anyway, and then that should be good. So you want to go to mods folder on this. Then you will just drag it in there. I already have it, so I'm good. And then you also want to go to the config folder just in case it doesn't work when you do it to the plugins. Then you want to drag it in there. Once again, I already have it in there. You also want to go to the BepInEx folder, and the way you can do that is go to where's config. Hold up. Well, you don't really need to go to the BepInEx, but all you want to do is once you have everything in there, press BepInject. That'll have both of those clicked off, and that's good. Newtons and TMP loader. And then make sure these two are checked off. Make sure none of these are checked off, or the honey lib, because that messed my thing up last time. Make sure all the ones that I have on screen is checked off on yours. Press install and update twice, because it doesn't work if you only do it one time. It didn't work for me. So now let's head into Gorilla Tag, and let me show y'all how to do it. So once you're in Gorilla Tag on your Steam account, make sure this is orange. As you can tell, I got banned. So I literally had anti-report on it, so I don't know how I got banned. You can do the same with everything else. As you can see, this is how I got that, but you can't touch it. And that's how I got that. So all you want to do, if you want new mods, all you have to do is drag it into the plugins folder and BepInEx folder. No, the plugins folder and config. And if you want, put it in the game folder just in case. And that's how you get any other mod. So yeah, as you can see, all you gotta do is press the top button, or I don't know what it's called, but you can just press, I'm pretty sure it's A. Can't do it on this end. You can only do it on this end. So yeah, that's how you get the IR Stupid Mod menu in 2025 with the new Monkey Mod Manager. And if you want any more tutorials like this, just tell me in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.